What's up? Welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 52 for May 27th, 2026. We've got some really cool AI stuff to talk about today. Let's dive in. So imagine you are working on a big school research project and you ask two different friends for help. One friend always checks their facts twice and shows you exactly where they found the information. The other friend sounds super confident, but sometimes just makes things up on the spot. A new study just ranked AI chatbots the same way, and Perplexity came out on top, while ChatGPT landed in 6th place for trustworthy answers on real work tasks. Think of Perplexity like that careful friend because it pulls fresh information from the web and lists its sources every single time you ask a question. ChatGPT can be great for brainstorming story ideas or writing creative drafts, but the study found it sometimes gives answers that sound right without being accurate. This matters because more students and teens are using these tools for homework, college applications, and learning new skills every day. When an AI gives you wrong facts, you can end up with bad information that affects your grades or how well you understand a topic. The gap between the top and lower ranked chatbots shows that not all AI tools are equal when you need answers you can count on. For you personally, this means the chatbot you pick can change how much time you spend double-checking its work later. If you are using AI to help with essays or research, starting with a more reliable one saves you from fixing mistakes down the line. You can try Perplexity right now for free by going to the Perplexity website on your phone or laptop. Ask it a question about something you are studying, like what caused the fall of the Roman Empire. And notice how it lists sources at the bottom so you can check them yourself. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. You know how when you are texting a friend, your phone sometimes guesses the next word before you finish typing? That is basically what modern AI chatbots are doing, except the autocomplete got millions of times smarter because it studied billions of sentences instead of just your messages. Imagine the AI breaks every sentence into tiny pieces called tokens, which are basically word chunks like syllables or short phrases. It looks at how those chunks usually connect to each other across all the text it has seen before. Then it predicts what chunks should come next based only on patterns, not because it understands meaning the way a person does. The system keeps doing this over and over, building full answers one token at a time, while checking what it has already written so the whole thing stays consistent. It never thinks or has opinions. It just calculates which token is most likely to fit the pattern it learned. So next time someone says an AI is reasoning, you can tell them it is basically super-powered autocomplete running on patterns, not actual understanding. And that is basically how these chatbots work. Not so scary once you see the steps, right? Now let's look at some cool stuff you can try today. People are leaving Google search in big numbers because they do not like AI answers mixed into the results. Google changed its search so an AI writes a big summary at the top instead of just showing normal links. A lot of users felt forced into using AI even when they just wanted regular websites. DuckDuckGo downloads jumped 30% almost overnight as a result. If you want a search engine that still gives you plain links without the AI summary, DuckDuckGo is a simple switch. Open the DuckDuckGo website in your browser or download the app and try searching for something you care about, like your favorite band or a homework topic, to see the difference in how results look. Next up is something fun for anyone who makes music or just likes experimenting with sounds. Music labels are teaming up with TikTok to stop AI from making fake songs that copy real artists without permission. This helps protect creators from having their style stolen by AI tools. You can explore this yourself by trying free, ethical AI music tools that do not copy specific artists. Go to the Suno website, type a simple prompt like upbeat lo-fi beat for studying, and listen to what it creates without using anyone's real voice or style. Time for quick bits, the rapid fire section. A tiny software bug called Bad Host was found in a popular free tool called Starlet that many AI projects use. Even though it sounds technical, it shows why keeping the software behind AI tools updated matters for everyone who uses them. Human therapists already have a legal duty to report users who talk about hurting people. Some experts think the same rules should apply to AI chatbots. It raises big questions about privacy versus safety that will affect how chatbots are designed in the future. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That is literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.